This will be short. It has been an honor to be associated with a crowd such as this, due mainly to the influence of my better half, Camilo. We have been together for the last 12 years, and our lives together have been that colorful, as you have witnessed on the movie that you have just seen. I am very proud to be Camilo's soulmate. We have shared together the fulfillment of life for continually serving the church to the glory of the Lord, for having served and continue serving other people in terms of their needs, for having traveled almost all over the globe, having appreciated the different beautiful and biblical sights the world can give that we can share to others, and for having shared together our dreams and our pursuits for a better cause. Camilo is a man of wisdom, as he always leaned to the Lord for everything he does. During his retirement, he busies himself writing books. I take part in editing his writings. His book entitled Passport to Heavenly Eternal Life is under literary editing and soon to be published. And this is one that you should not miss to read. For the objective of the book is to help lost souls and gain the ultimate goal of life. I am proud to say that during his critical times, as he got sick with a sciatica that disabled him almost a year, followed by an emergency quadruple heart bypass, I have assumed as his private nurse. Thanks to the Lord that he survived this ordeal. We are presently retired at the Kenyan country, Santa Clarita, and hope and pray that he will live more longer years to continue his mission in helping people to the glory of the Lord. That's all for now. Continue the fun.